Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show how to show hidden bloat icon. So let's start it, how to fix it. Any device, PC or laptop or Windows. Go to your control panel. I am going to my control panel, clicking on taskbar pointer icon. Click on customize. Now click on all control panel. Here search by bloat in the search bar. And then click on change bloat setting. After that, check the show bloat icon and click on OK. Now you can see your device bloat icon visible. Friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.